I think it's important that we realize the depth of the calling.
And it's only when you get people who are pursuing their dreams, living their truth, and feeling good that we can actually move the needle of society forward.
Hello, people all over the world.
I'm Dr. Mark Hyman.
My name is Byron Katie.
This is Deepak Chopra.
I'm Preetaji.
This is an opportunity to cultivate a deeper relationship to yourself through at-home yoga practice.
If you get one thing from the course, I hope it's that you change your standards of what's healthy and what's not.
When we take our wellness, our well-being into our own hands, that is what makes our being come to life.
The term recovery is widely understood to mean that we recover the person we're intended to be.
We are not relying on the external world to make us feel a certain way.
By disrupting your current breath pattern, you change the quality of thinking.
Mastering the art and the science of forgiveness is necessary to move through life.
Organizing a march gave us a purpose, gave us a sense of we're gonna be okay.
Your goal to be egalitarian will become automatically activated.
It's been shown to have aphrodisiac effects. So you might want to be careful who you serve this ramen bowl to.
If you step in and start to take the revolution from the inside out, then your life can change too.